So guys, we're gonna learn about star topology. Star topology. So let me tell you something about a star topology is that it is quite, I don't know if the spelling is right, quite similar to burst topology. Okay, burst topology. It's quite similar to that. Okay, let me show you the diagram first of all. This is you can call it a hub, or you can call it center, or you can call it switch, whatever you can call it, you can just call it. Okay, there are different names for the center thing. And to this, some device connected here, some device connected here, 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 here. These are the cables. Let's say D1. Let's, instead of calling devices, let's call them nodes again. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. So, okay, so there in this topology, let's say n number of devices will be connected to a central hub. Okay? So as you can see, there are like more number of wires needed. But if I analyze it in my way, I would say this, I don't know, for some reason this thing is called more reliable. More reliable. I don't know how, but it's more reliable. At the same time, you can see that there are so many wires here. So let's say takes, these are the features. Disadvantages of having a startup. More reliable, but it takes more cables as compared to bus topology. As compared to bus topology. What else you can say? Like if one node fails, it does not disrupt the system, that is star topology system. It does not affect it, and it's quite easy to debug. For example, imagine them as lights. So this would light up, lights up, this lights up, this lights up, this doesn't lights up. So since this doesn't lights up, so we can, like, it's easy to debug. Other word is troubleshoot. It's easy to troubleshoot. At the same time, if you have a look in this, you would find that it's highly reliable, is variable. If one of the does not interrupt it, and bus topology. What else do we have in here? That's all. That's all for the entirely hub fails. Okay, the main thing, if this hub fails, the entire system fails. If hub fails, the entire system fails. We'll speed up our process of learning because this is very slow. Sorry. Okay, star topology, the thing will be in a star shape. Okay, it's quite similar to bus topology, but it differs in few basic things. So we have a central hub, or we can call it a switch, or we can call it center, to which n number of nodes will be connected, and which will be it makes it very easy to debug and troubleshoot. It's quite evident from the structure itself. It's more reliable as compared to others. I don't know why, but it is more reliable. Now, in order to compensate this reliableness, we have a downside. The downside is it takes more cables as compared to the bus topology. Okay, if the hub fails, the entire system fails, and that's it. If one of the nodes fails, but if one of the nodes fails, it does not disrupts the entire system. This is star topology. Fuck, yaar.